everyone, welcome back. So today we're doing a little hair tutorial. As you can see on the head is looking quite cute, right? So I'm gonna give you a tutorial on this hair look. We're not doing no 10 seconds, 20-second reel, okay? We're doing the full deal, the whole shebang. I want some boiling crab. But anyway, I think it came out great, and I'm gonna show you how I did it right now. Y'all are getting the exclusive hair content, okay? So I have a few events to go to today. It was gonna be 3, but ended up being just 2 now because one got moved. Thank the Lord. My hair has been in this ponytail while I got ready, so the top part kind of dried, but I kind of like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the top while this is a little dry, because you know when your hair dries, slick back, it dries straight. So this hairstyle that I want to do is a little fun, right? And my outfit is a little bit more, it's just like a corset and a matching skirt, which it's so cute. I feel like this hairstyle will make it a little funky. I don't know. I've been wanting to do this hairstyle, so today's a perfect day. And don't mind the gray hairs, okay? Your girl is about to be 30. 30! Honestly, it's just genetics. My mom used to have gray hairs early on, so that's where I'm getting them from, sadly. But it's okay, Mom. It's okay. I don't blame you. I blame her. So basically, I just want to pull the top part of my hair up. Enough room for 3 on each side. Man, every time I part my hair, I'm just seeing more grays. Okay, so this part, and then do the same thing on this side. My braider told me I have more hair on one side than the other side, and I was just like, oh, okay, but like I see it now. I never paid attention until she said that. She sure is correct. We just want to section off this front part. And that's where all the fun's gonna happen, okay? So I'm just gonna pull this part back up into a bun so it's out of the way. My hair is so long, I never do my hair sitting down, so I'm struggling. Now I'm probably gonna split this into like 6 little sections and do twisties. So I'm gonna part it right down the middle, again. So just part a straight line back, and then I'm gonna get this little Briogeo sculpting cream, the sculpting pomade. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of this so that these stay nice and cute. The only reason I'm using this because my hair is kind of dry at the top and I don't want to use wet products. So my part is not that straight, so I'm gonna fix it. You kind of want to like dig in your scalp to get like a good part. Like a sharp part. There we go. Now my hair is tangled. Cool. Ow. And we're just gonna twist all the way back instead of like a cornrow. You can do a cornrow, but a twist is way easier, and I feel like anybody can twist and not everybody can cornrow. There we go. Now I'm just gonna get a little rubber band and tie that up. And then we're gonna repeat that step 2 more times on this side. This outside one first, just so it's not in the way. It just seems easier. I love doing a little twisty because it gives you the same look as what a cornrow would do, but it literally takes 2 seconds to do. And then the last one. It is gonna take some arm muscles though. All the parting and the rubber banding. That's the hardest part of this hairstyle. Okay, so now we got the 3 done. Ignore all my grays, okay? You know what? I'm not ashamed. I bought one of these, the Root Magic Precision. I bought one because sometimes I don't want the grays showing, okay? Like I don't have time to be dyeing this head full of hair all the time. So I've never used this, but I definitely bought it because I was like, when I do hairstyles, I just feel like it doesn't I don't want to say the gray hairs ruin the hairstyle, because I know a lot of people got gray hairs. Sometimes I just don't want to see them. Sometimes I just like, oh, this works so good. They're like disappearing. Like not fully disappearing, but enough. It blends it in with my hair. Why haven't I used this sooner? And I'm pretty sure this is brown and my hair is like black, so working enough. It's doing what it has to do. Okay. Oh, you can kind of see the brown if you really looking. So I'm just gonna pat it in. I need to get this in black, I guess. It is what it is. I'm gonna start using that way more. No shame in my game. L'Oreal Magic Root Precision. Now the same thing to this side. Double it and give it to me. So we're just gonna add 3 more on this side. So like my thing is I like to hold my hair tight and then I like to push down into my scalp and go straight back. Kind of hard, but not like stabbing your head, but slightly stabbing your head just to get that nice part. Anyway, can we talk about how I'm about to be 30? You guys, I've been on YouTube for 10 years. It was literally 1920 when I started YouTube. Like it literally just shocks me that I'm about to be 30. I don't feel like I'm about to be 30. Like, am I really supposed to be 30? I think time's lying to me. I'm 25, what you talking about? Who's lying to me? But no, like it's actually crazy. It's funny because all of my brothers have been 30 now. My brother that's closest to the age of me just turned 31. So last year was his 30. And this January, a month ago, was his 31st. So now I'm the last one that's in my 20s. And I used to be like, dang, y'all are old. And now I'm old with them. I'm old with them. Can't even joke about their age anymore because I'm with them. That's crazy. My parents are about to have all over 30-year-olds. Crazy. I actually need to start planning a birthday photo shoot because y'all know she be doing her birthday photo shoots. My 30th one just has to go all out. She has to eat, okay? She has to be the best one yet. So I have no ideas yet. So if you got any ideas, let me know in the comments. If you a photo set designer, if you want to make some ideas and shoot them my way, let me know. You know, I love some inspiration to go off of. So, una más. Man, every time I think about my mom not teaching me Spanish, it makes me mad. How was Spanish your first language and you didn't teach us, huh? I could be speaking Spanish right now. You know how cool I would be? I'd be way cooler. Like, yo quiero Taco Bell, you see these braids, cállate la boca, oh, cállate el hocico, oh. I don't know which one's the bad one. Anyway, that would be so cool. Man, doing hair makes you hot. It's a workout. All done. Now, so I'm gonna get this and we're gonna bun these up into little like messy chongos, but like not a regular spin around one. It's gonna, you just like, I'll show you. I'm gonna get this. Make sure your rubber band's tight. I'm just gonna twist, twist, twist. Just keep twisting and then kind of quit pulling it taut. And then it's gonna make this little like knot bun. I don't really know how to explain it other than a messy knot bun. See that? See how I just keep twisting it? This would be so much easier if my hair wasn't this long. But like it literally makes you the coolest bun. Can y'all see it? And then my ends, I'm gonna leave them a little frizzy like this because I'm gonna curl it with a curling iron. So it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna get another rubber band and then I'm just gonna tie a rubber band around this and keep a piece of hair out. Twist real tight and then let loose. Twist real tight and then let loose. That one looks so cute. It's just random, like you never know what you're gonna get. Hold it, rubber band it. Oh, it's so cute already. If you have shorter hair, this will be so much easier and take much less time. Doing the last one right now. My head is quite full. The buns got bigger than I thought they were gonna get. Okay, now that this is out, this is the left out part. So I have this small little curling iron, it's Conair. I don't know what inch it is. I know it's probably ½ inch. I don't know, ½ inch I would assume. It's early, it's 2:49. And I don't have to leave till like 6 but I just wanted to get ready early. Took a shower, or I went to the gym, okay? Went to the gym, came home, took a shower, washed my hair, slicked it back so that it could dry, so it wouldn't dry all big because I knew I was gonna do my hair, but I needed to do my makeup first before I did my hair. So I needed to do my makeup and then do my hair. And then I'm gonna finish probably by 3:30 and I'm gonna have hours before I even have to leave, which is great because I hate rushing. So that means I can get dressed, I can take some pictures, I can do TikToks, like I can do it all. It's the best thing to do because I ain't trying to rush. I'm gonna get one of the little pieces. We're just gonna wrap it too long because I do have hair products in my hair. That's cute. That's what we're doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have hair products in my hair so I don't have to hold it too long. Honestly, like my hair would have looked like this without the curling iron, but would have had to wait for it to dry and all that. This is way quicker. Okay, so done with that. Only needed that for like 5 minutes. Put the heat away. You know, I like, don't even put heat on my hair. Like I haven't straightened my hair in 3 years. It's been so long, like I don't even remember when the last time I straightened my hair was. Now I just want to let them kind of like stick up. And if you want, you can get the pomade and like put a teeny bit, or you could use hairspray. Kind of gives them like that gelled look. That's cute. Now for the back of the hair. Now this part I'm just gonna leave down, but I also think I want this part pulled up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part out this little front part on both sides. So what I'm gonna do, instead of pulling up here, I'm gonna pull it up in a ponytail back here to kind of snatch a little bit. Do a little hair tie. There we go. Now we snatched. I love a good hair eye snatch. The only issue with curling your curly hair is if it gets wet, oh, that baby is straightening out and looking like you got a dead hair. So I'll fix that in a second, okay? I probably should have did these last. I'm just gonna do a little hairspray. I'm gonna turn that curling iron back on because I need to fix this one. But in the meantime, while it heats up, I'm gonna go ahead and do the back of my hair. On the back of my hair, I just need basically wet and styled, so it just looks like this. So if I was you, I would do the little curling of the curls, if you're gonna use a curling iron, at the end. After you do all this. My hair is so long, guys. I wish y'all could like see it. Let me show you guys. I have to brush my hair standing up because it literally goes down to, that's my belly button, yeah. So for hair products, I kind of want my hair to stay kind of wet looking. So I'm gonna put an oil in my hair. Any kind of hair oil, it's a good hack for when you want to keep your hair wet looking. If you got straight hair also, but you're gonna be washing your hair like 20 times to get it out. So I don't know if I recommend, maybe just a pomade for you. But curly hair, oil it up. Our hair loves it. But this hairstyle you can do with straight or curly hair. It'll be so cute on all. And then the little curls, you can curl them, or you can just leave them straight and kind of gel it and make it look spiky. I don't know, I've seen people with straight hair do that and it looks cute. So definitely an option. And then after that, I'm gonna use this Aveda Be Curly Advanced Curl Enhancer Cream. This has been one of my favorite products. I worked with them last year when this line launched, and I've been using it ever since. I love when I work with the brand and the products end up like my go-to every days. I actually went to their launch event last year and met a whole bunch of curly girls out in New York. It was a great event, and honestly, these are like my go-to products now. Not just this one, like the whole line. The gel is good, everything, honestly. I'm going heavier on the products because, like I said, I want the hair to stay kind of wet looking. One other thing that I like to do whenever I'm having like a wet hair look, people are gonna hate this or love it, I don't know. You remember these things? Blue Magic or Super Grow? The grease of all grease. These are the only hair products back in the day that my hair used to be drenched in this. Like, people would come up to me, touch my hair, and rub their elbows for some lotion because she was greased up, always. But honestly, if you got curly hair, a little bit of this on your hair will keep it wet looking. But you just have to be careful with the way it mixes with certain products because it will ball up, okay? It will ball up, so do a test strand. Looks good. I don't think I've used it with the conditioner I have in my hair, so I have to make sure. Okay, we're good. So just add a little bit of that in your hair. And then the gel on top, your hair will stay nice all night. And it's super hydrating for our hair. And I really just brush all those products in to get them throughout the hair before you add a gel on top, and then you don't touch it again with the brush after this. Curls are juicy, okay? Juicy. Last but not least, I will just do a little mousse and then some gel. This is like my wet hair routine, so it's not my curly hair routine. My curly hair routine would be definitely different. So like, let me know what y'all want to see next. So now the end, look at that, juicy. Now one last thing I'm gonna do is fix the curls and then edges, and then we're done. Oh. Curly hair does not like being curled and then wet. Perfect. Edges, I use Edge Booster. Not too many because I don't want to mess up the hair. But like, see that? It's the littlest touch, but it makes such a difference. You don't always need edges though, or baby hairs. It's just a part of me. Okay. Cute. Yup, hair is done. And then this is the final look, guys. How are we liking it? Look at this. Let me give you some close-ups. Yes. Yes. Let me give you some far aways. Yeah. This is a look. We love it. Do we love it or do we hate it? If you say you hate it, get it. Just hit the like button and get out of here. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna give you some slow-mos real quick. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you would like to see more hair tutorials like this, long form, on YouTube. Because, you know, I could just put it on Instagram too. But, you know, I want to be on YouTube. So I could probably do the long form for my YouTube girlies. And then y'all always get it first. Okay, y'all get the exclusive. And then I'll drop it on Instagram, TikTok, maybe in a week or two. So those people are going to be late to the game. Y'all are always first. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, all that, Jasmine, just so you don't miss out on anything else. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're new, subscribe. Hi. Welcome. But yeah, see y'all in my next video. Bye.